Let's divide 70 et by 2. Her math adventurers. If you're having fun learning with me, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to Let's Stud for more awesome math adventures. Alright team, let's start our division adventure with 70 divided by 2. We'll begin with the first divide of 70 which is 7. We're going to use the din at 7 for this step. How many times does 2 fit in 7? Let's count 2, 4, 6. It fits 3 times. Now let's multiply. Our quotient div at 3 by the divisor 2. What's 3 times 2? It's 6. We subtract 6 from 7. What's 7 minus 6? That leaves us with 1. Great job. You figured out the first part. Now let's bring down the next divot to make a new number. Get ready for the next step. Awesome work on the first step. Now we have the number 10 to work with. We bring down the it from 78, denning the remainder 1 to make 10. How many times does 2 fit in 10? Think of your 2's times tables. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. That's 9 times. Let's multiply. Our new quotient div at 9 by the divisor 2. What's 9 times 2? It's 18. Now we subtract 18 from 18. What's 18 minus 18? 0. We have no remainder left. You crushed it. We're almost at the finish line. And that's it. We've divided 70 by 2. You've successfully completed the long division. So 70 divided by 2 is 39. We did it. We divided 70 by 2 and found our answer is 39. Remember, long division is like a puzzle, and you solved it like a math superstar. Great job, everyone. Keep practicing, and you'll become long division wizards in no time. Check out more fun math videos on Let's Stud.